So for today's video, I am going to be doing how to make green screen transitions and borders for your videos. So I'm going to be using Adobe Animate for this. So it costs like $10 a month if you want to use it. But maybe you could get like a free trial for 30 days. I'm not really sure. Or you could get the entire Adobe Cloud for $20 a month, which comes with Lightroom that everyone uses for like their Instagram photos and Photoshop if you need that. Yeah, so I would kind of recommend the $20 a month, but yeah, so if you have it, this is how to make transitions for your videos.
So the first steps to making green screen transitions is to either get a screenshot of a solid green background, or it is to make a green box that fills the whole screen that's just solidly green. So then after that, I took another color box and I adjusted it to the size I liked, and I created a classic tween, and then I dragged it across the screen, because if you do that in a classic tween, it like makes it drag across. So now this is going to be how to make a transition that is multicolored. So first you pick the colors you want and you adjust them how you want, and then you drag them off of the screen. Then you select them all and you convert them into a symbol so they are connected. And then you make a classic tween with the symbol and then you drag it across. Okay, so this is me doing it with a pink one, but I'm doing it to go down instead of across like my other ones did. This is just me showing how to do it again. You can make the transitions go from either side, right or left, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this is me making a blue one like the other ones I made, except for I'm going to make it go diagonally this time. Okay, so here is what the transitions I made look like. Okay, so for this one, I actually didn't record me making it, but it's actually pretty simple to make. So first you need whatever you want as your border, just a picture of that, and you basically just drag that across the screen, and then you just make a green box on top of it, and then you can just use it as a green screen. So I actually forgot to mention this part in the intro, but I actually filmed part of this on iMovie, on how to make green screens on iMovie. So this is how to make green screens on iMovie. Basically, you just need a screenshot of just like a solid green background, and then you need transparent photos, and you need to put your transparent photos on top as like an overlay of the green screen. And then you just adjust it how you want on the screen, and it basically just works like that. You can just save it and use it as green screen. So this is me making some, and if you want you can make them fade in and fade out, but I think that's pretty much all you can do. I don't really know how to move them on iMovie, so that's why you can do a lot more with Adobe Animate.
Okay, so that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is to hit 30,000 subscribers, so please, please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye!